Ooh, looks good. So you can see it looks nice, and I can tell that the meat is probably falling off the bone. In a warm pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, add in some onions and garlic. So today we'll be making Irish stew, lamb stew. I'm just using some lamb cutlets that are really cheap. To make this dish really work, and it's gonna cook for an hour and a half to 2 hours until the meat is really nice and tender and the meat falling off the bone. So I just got the cheapest cut of meat ever, and I'll be using some celery, some carrots, some potatoes, need some thyme and rosemary as well. So while those are sauteing, I'll add in my herbs. So I have thyme and rosemary. So this will be the one giving all the nice flavor and nice aroma. So mix those all nicely. Add in the celery. I'm using 3 stalks of celery for this dish. And with that goes some salt. And while that is cooking, add in the carrots. So I'm using 3 big carrots. Mix those in nicely. I will add in black pepper. Coarse black pepper, add in cold water to that, and in goes the lamb. So big chunks of meat, so to bring the lovely flavor, everything, the bones in. So I'm just gonna cover this and cook it at a medium heat for an hour. I'll keep an eye on it just to make sure that everything is coming nicely to a boil. And yeah, I'll put it in the... I'm just gonna let it simmer there for a little while. And into that, I'll add in half a cup of barley, hard barley, and this just gives a little bit of body to the dish and a nice texture while you're biting onto the meat and all that. So, which is optional, but yeah, as you can see, the stew is gonna be very, very light and filling. So I'll add in some potatoes later on, maybe after an hour of cooking. So I went on ahead and put on the lamb stew in the oven, and it's been cooking for an hour, and I'm just gonna take it out now. Ooh, looks good. So And see, it looks nice. And I can tell that the meat is probably falling off the bone. The meat looks tender, the potatoes are cooked, and everything looks nice. You can see the broth is not too bad. So I'm just gonna let it cool down just a few minutes because it's super hot. Yeah, hope you enjoy. So we'll have this with some garlic bread, and yeah, enjoy it for 2 days. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to Dine with Jane. Ciao.